Hi. Fairy? Hi.
Hey. It's the king of Fairy Town. Woohoo!
Yay! Hi, you came to see us? You brought us presents?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, Tegan!
What did you bring? Thank you. Can I open it?
Yeah.
It looks amazing.
Oh, what is it?
Chocolate.
I love chocolate. Thank you, Fairy Tegan.
Mommy, I knew you like chocolate.
You knew I liked chocolate?
Yeah.
Tegan.
Did you bring something for Aunt Margie?
Yeah. What you thought when you thought?
Do you have something for me?
What beat it? What beat?
What's it gonna be? Here comes Fairy Tegan for a present for Aunt Margie.
No, I'm gonna put it in the kitchen. How will you open it?
Where do I find it?
Don't open it.
Don't open it. Oh, it's under the Christmas tree?
Yeah. It might wrap up.
Oh, okay. So when should I open it? Tonight? Tomorrow? Or next year at Christmas? Tonight? I get to open it tonight? Oh, at dinner time?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dinner's going to be really exciting.
I put it under the tree.
Okay, I can't wait to see it. Oh, you're giving it to me now?